Long awaited Bass Pro Shop Skate Everything Wars, Nigel versus Fetty. You guys know how it works by now. Do I have to explain it?
I don't have time to explain what I don't have time to explain.
I don't know what that means. We literally just drove 2 hours to find this spot. It's by Nigel's house. I don't know how he lives so far. I also don't know who comes up with the ideas of where to place these Bass Pro Shop locations. Okay, well anyways, just for those of you who've never seen a video like this before, Nigel and Fetty, we go into a store. We have $75 this time to choose something in Bass Pro Shop, and you can buy whatever you want, and the goal is to make a skateboard for the other person, and you have to, play skate on it. And if it breaks, you lose. Is that a bad explanation? I think that'll work, right?
Fetty, wait, so you've never been here?
No, I've never been here.
And you've never been here from Australia?
Hell no.
Look at all this debt. It's great. You see this debt? Jumped into. Yeah.
Fetty, you are literally in heaven right now.
No, I don't know what I'm in. A whole bunch of stuff I don't understand.
Dude, look at how big those are.
He's looking at me. I'm gonna name him Fred.
How much time do we have?
Take your time.
Let's go.
I'm gonna say this waterfall.
Look at this. This place is awesome. I love it.
Look at these.
We can do a whole video of just walking around here.
Oh, I'm excited to be here. I think we should start at the boat section.
What are your thoughts, man? How do you like this place?
I don't know where to start. I don't know what to get. I don't know. I think one of these are $75.
Oh yeah.
It's under 75.
Yeah.
1,000. I feel like we started in the worst section possible.
You know you can go inside the boats, right?
I don't trust myself in a boat.
You don't trust yourself in the boat? The store is like overwhelming.
Watch us just be here for like an hour and then shopping and like, oh, we didn't start yet.
Okay. He didn't give a spending limit, did he?
$75.
Damn it.
But that's what we got.
That's the one I want to.
Gun. That's what my buddy told me to get for all the camel spiders at my house. Get a salt gun, and it just shoots salt like a shotgun.
Wow.
And it's salt, so it just opens wounds and then burns it pretty much.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
I feel like that was very anticlimactic.
Can I look in the clothes first?
I don't know, we have to find something for him to skate though. You're not buying him an outfit.
No, I know. I've been looking for a camo pullover sweater for so long.
This is the place he'll find it.
See, he almost got you one from Dick's,
Did he?
but that was too expensive.
There's gotta be something that's not too crazy. $69.99.
Wait, we can
No
go.
way.
Which one is it? Is it this one? It's this one. Gonna make him skate a pig.
Oh my gosh. He can't have that same idea. Oh, hopefully he does. Hold on. Where's the backup then if he does that? Tree stand?
Oh no.
No.
Yeah, there isn't a backup.
No.
I'm just saying, I'd be worried because he was looking at those last time.
Yeah.
You almost ended up with a duck.
No,
They have boat seats.
I know.
Oh hey, we're on to something here. Let me meet you up there.
On the Fetty cam. Elevator life. I think they saw me. Hi, Gabe.
I don't take elevators, Fetty.
He also has a thing of doing weird add-ons.
Add-ons?
Yeah, like remember, like last time he got
Good.
Are we taking pictures or are we recording? What are we doing?
I'm doing for YouTube. We're
Alright.
doing. It's like a
Can't film in
skateboard.
the store.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not a problem.
Yeah, unfortunately we can't record anything. If you guys wanted to do something like that, you guys would get a hold of me
Okay.
because I'm the promotions coordinator
Do you
here.
have a card that I
Yeah.
can get?
And Gabe was being even less covert than me this time. Well, we know what we wanted though.
Yeah, I know. Dang. Well, I just texted him. We got kicked out. I know what I want too.
I know.
I wonder if he'll just let me go buy it.
I just want to see them get kicked out.
Yeah.
They are onto us because Nigel just texted me saying they got kicked out.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my god, we have to go heavy recon mode. I did not drive 2 hours to get kicked out of this place. I will fight someone. Not really. They fully kicked him out of the store. Like they're fully out of the store. And the dude gave him a card and said, if you want to come back and film, we can set up a time so it's more professional.
I feel like we're just trapped in a corner right now.
I know, dude.
We're like in the most camouflage section, the hunting section. No one's gonna find us, but the second we go into open, they're gonna see my camera and just get on us. That's a nice jacket. We're just gonna keep looking until we get kicked out. See if you can just come in without a camera and buy your thing. All right, later.
Oh yeah.
All right, I think we're safe for the time being. It is turned into not skate everything wars. It's turned into just straight out survival.
This is
I
like
feel like
Code
I'm
Red.
Bear Grylls.
Mhm.
When Bear Grylls is in the wild running away from wolves, I feel like I'm in the wild of this store running away from the wolves that work here. We gotta find something.
Not in the clothes. We're in the clothes.
Well, obviously not in the clothes section. I'm just saying we have to find something.
I didn't see anything because I was more freaked out about the people.
You guys, this is the most stealth we've ever had to be in Braille history.
Okay, we're trying to make our way to the fishing section. I'm trying to be discreet about filming, so I'm sorry if you can't really hear us.
Where do we go now?
We are in the kill zone.
Fetty,
I don't know what to do.
How do we get upstairs?
I don't know what to do.
All right, so they're upstairs. They made it back in. We gotta go upstairs again.
Let's go.
You know what's kind of funny? They had to hunt us down in like a hunting store.
Exactly.
A panini maker.
Oh.
Dude, this is amazing. Look how big this is.
That'd be way too hard to drill through.
Yeah, you can drill through that though. High output 2-burner propane stove.
Propane cylinder not included.
So that might work.
How do I drill through that?
Just take it with us. I mean, this is just sketchy, but I like it because it has a Bass Pro logo on it. I mean, it's up to you because you've gone kind of easy on these last few ones, so it depends on if you want to go for the throat.
I just don't want to blow up.
clean.
Yeah, it doesn't come with propane.
Yeah, so I think it'll be okay. So
I'm
it's
gonna
up to
get
you.
this. I mean, they kind of already lost by getting kicked out, so I mean, I could pick something for me, right?
Exactly.
I think this is it, though. This is funny.
And it's like totally perfect. It has Bass Pro logo on it.
Watch Bass Pro Shop, watch this video, and like copyright strike our entire channel. Maybe this is the worst idea we've ever had.
You think we can drill through this?
It's just sheet metal.
Okay.
See why you cut it.
Because we wanted to make sure it wouldn't like blow up if we were actually gonna skateboard on it.
Well, as long as you don't have gas hooked up to it, you should be fine.
Okay.
Yeah, we won't. We won't.
Let's get our stuff and get out of here.
You gotta get it?
Yeah.
Yes! Got it. Wait, what'd you get? Oh, you suck, dude. This is gonna suck. Dang it, now I don't know if I wanna get it.
Wow.
Yes.
Dude, that's amazing.
All these together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Flutter
All right.
looks pretty sick.
Well, good luck with all of that.
Appreciate it.
Yeah?
I'm gonna lose.
Hey, Carlos almost beat me with the rug.
I know. That is insane to me.
I'm so glad you didn't get something for my feet. I was gonna get you a visor so your head had to be exposed. Actually, Gabe told me to do that,
Rude.
but I didn't. He told me to do that at Dick's. Is that a boar? That's a boar. It's pretty boring.
Yeah, cuz.
Oh, now we have a drive back. Oh wow, only an hour to get home.
Yeah, I told
It's
you.
not bad
it's
at
not bad
all.
at all.
58 minutes.
Shall we? We're back at the Braille house. It took us 2 hours to get there and less than 1 hour to get back. It's freaking ridiculous. But we're here with Fetty. Nigel had to go home, but he's gonna set up his today, and then Nigel will set up his tomorrow. There'll be a little time jump, but it's alright. It'll be edited together, and you won't even notice. So let's go.
So heavy.
Is it heavy?
It's got some
It's
weight.
gonna be slippery too.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah. I kind of question why we're skating it.
And not using it.
Yeah.
How am I gonna do this?
Oh no. Are you gonna go all the way through?
Yeah.
That does. Oh, that's a problem.
You can't drill through that. That's the problem.
You can unscrew it though.
Why didn't you cook something first?
Because we're not hooking propane. Do you want us to blow up?
Yeah.
That was crazy.
The most, what is this, complex build ever?
Seriously, Nigel grabs the easy ones. We go all out. We put heart and
Yeah.
soul into ours.
I'm trying to do stuff we haven't done before.
You've skated a pig?
Yes. I've skated a pig. Brute force, Fetty, that'll do it. Oh, you're almost there. Ow.
Cut me.
Oh, ow.
Not a Fetty video. There's no blood. Should I break these off?
I mean, we're not. It's not like we're gonna use it.
Hama!
Go put a band-aid on. You're dripping blood on the ground. Fetty, you're bleeding everywhere.
I don't care.
I do.
Please. He literally is putting blood everywhere.
Makes us look metal. This one just won't come off. There it is. All right.
He bled in the actual thing. Look it.
It's nothing.
It looks so bad.
I feel bad for Nigel. He has to escape this sharp object.
How deep did you get cut?
I think it's through my nail.
My God. It's bleeding through the band-aid.
It's not America without blood. There's no blood on the drill, don't worry.
How sharp is that thing?
That's very sharp. Whoa, it just leaked a... Whoa! Very cool. Very cool. Metal.
Man, that is like excessive amount of blood for such a small cut.
It was not that small. Second hardest build of my life. We're in there.
Alright, that was the hardest thing ever.
My blood, sweat, and tears is going into this, Nigel. Hope you appreciate my craftsmanship. Just for good measure.
Solid. Alright.
Good. Well, we'll see you tomorrow.
Dude, I've been waiting for this for like literally so long.
I apologize for all my inconveniences.
Oh my.
Wow.
I think we should buy a crossbow so we can shoot.
I was
at
gonna
that
say,
thing.
yeah.
I want to open yours after and see if there's some blood in it.
Oh, there's probably blood all over it.
Wait, what?
Oh wow. Oh no.
Damn it.
Whoa. Can we just admire the paint job though? It is A1. I just remember that you put suspension trucks on the gun case.
Why would you do that?
Okay, no, every other truck was used already.
That is wrong.
You probably wouldn't even have noticed if I didn't say anything.
Wow.
Oh! Oh, dude, it looks really bad.
Alright, you guys, we're here today to finish up the video of Skate Everything Wars Bass Pro Shop Edition. We have some of the most creative, I'm not going to say skateboards, but the most creative inventions with trucks and wheels on them that we've ever come up with.
Run us through this, Nigel.
Well, if you want to come to my house and you know have a barbecue, you can do it with this guy right here.
Oh, wow.
I'm not gonna cook you anything because I suck. Oh, yep, there's blood.
I have the crossbow bore thing with trucks.
Die every time.
Die.
Caution, trucks may rip out of those.
Exactly.
Oh, they're done. They're already out.
Uh-oh. I might win this game.
Do we have foot-long screws?
Your trick.
Be gone, Satan!
That looks real scary.
It is. Oh, slippery. Oh, slippery. Oh my god.
The whole screw fell out.
This is not good. All right, we have made some fixes.
Minor repairs.
Let's see how it goes. It's like you're roasting a pig. It's probably good.
We're in business.
Now it looks like it's wearing a little costume.
This is twice as scary now. I got some grip now.
All right, Nigel, your turn.
Wow, we still have nothing into nothing, right?
All right, let's see what you and the pig got, Fetty. Wow. This would be so hard to skate. Oh! This could be a quick game. Oh! These tall, off the ground, high skateboards are like always the scariest. Is your kidney okay?
I don't know, I landed right on it.
Hippie jump.
Hippie jump? Oh, that's messed.
Oh my god! I thought it was gonna hit.
Oh no. I can't believe he did that.
No, not at all.
Oh!
Who is Tim? And why are you shouting him out?
Tim Tibor.
Tim Tibor? Wow.
Full send.
Oh! We were gonna use that after.
Rock the fakie on that.
Fakey show.
Like a living representation of my life. Always on the edge.
Not fast enough. It makes no sound. We gotta just put blowers all over the ceiling and no more echo.
Yeah. Oh! Whoa!
Another perfect representation of my life.
Full set, kickflip.
How did you almost get up that?
Nigel, what are you? Oh, we're back to this.
Oh!
Hey, you actually got that though.
I could do it. It's scary though. Oh, okay.
Oh!
This is gonna be moving.
You don't have to do this, Nigel. You don't.
For Sparta!
Nigel, he just did the switch drop in.
Rock and roll.
Shove it,
You're shoving.
shoving.
Kick turn on the thing.
Wow. Your kidneys! No! Call it out, Penny. You're gonna be alright.
Hey, Tim Tebow does not appreciate that.
Wow, that was actually really good. Oh! You nailed him in the head.
Like, Ollie.
He got off the ground? It counts then. I didn't see it.
Up the Euro, but I'm gonna stall the back truck.
Whoa! Full send, Fetty! Oh, full send. Oh!
It's a hard knock life.
Oh, that was a nice romantic capture.
Yeah, that was adorable.
Oh!
That was not bad.
No, I didn't even try.
Oh.
Oh! Tibor, no! Tibor, no!
Now we can hang it on the wall.
Wow!
My first
Secretly in
kill.
the taxidermy.
And the winner,
And the winner is decapitated. What's his name again?
Tim Tebow.
Tim Tebow and Nigel. Nigel's the actual winner. What'd you guys think? Pretty good?
Yeah, there's no grip on this.
At least it's 30 though. That is one of the most impressive board focuses I've ever seen. You will probably never see anyone focus the head off of a boar in your life.
Okay.
Safe to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Check out these two on Instagram. The link will be in the description below. And you can click right here to subscribe. Click right here to check out all the other videos in this playlist. Click right here to check out brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding boar needs.
Skateboarding.
Skateboarding needs.